Hey guys, we're Emma and Matt, and welcome back to One More Adventure.
Hey, so this weekend we're back with our family again, and so we're going to spend a bit of time just chilling, relaxing and catching up. But apart from that, we're also going to make the most of the sales that are happening here in France. We've got a bit of like last minute preparation that we still need to do, buy a few bits of gear, and then we'll also kind of do a bit of a point on where we're up to with our flat, visas, just travel itineraries as well. And so yeah, I think we're just going to have a bit of a mixture of video today.
So what you found?
I found some shorts that are kind of just really lightweight, like running shorts, so they're going to be really lightweight, great for hikes and like running. I'm just trying to find some like long leggings, because I really don't have any long leggings that are going to really do the trip, so struggling a bit because I don't seem to have any this summer, so it's a bit hard, but we'll get there. I found a nice jacket that's on offer, like a really nice like long length jumper, so that's coming with me. It's like 16 euros, you can't get wrong.
Oh dear.
And yeah, got like a waterproof jacket and got some scuba diving a mask as well. That's gonna be really cool.
Yeah, I got mine a couple of weeks ago. We're going to try them out this afternoon.
Yeah.
Decent actually, yeah.
So yeah, gonna give this a go.
Okay, cool.
Pretty sweet. Yeah, these look really good because they're actually really breathable and they've got a pocket. Found them. These are the ones I was looking for. I saw them online. So.
And one happy Emma. Okay, decathlon done?
Yeah. The decathlon is honestly awesome. It's just like we've got pretty much everything, I think. Like I got a jumper, my leggings, I've got a scuba mask and a rain jacket, and plus some socks as well. I just want a running top now, and then maybe like a blouse, I think, and then I'm good.
Cool. Can't do shop first though. It's got to get something for Misty too. She usually buries stuff, but I think these wants to at least eat, and might actually give us some kind of better breath. Hopes. Okay, so actually while we're in Sun, actually this is one of the, this is our original hometown, I think we can call it actually, originally when we came to France.
Yeah.
It's actually quite nice to be back. I haven't been back. I think you've been back as well for quite a while.
It's been ages, yeah. I can't remember the last time I was in Sun actually.
This is quite a nice town actually. It's like a really old school town. It's quite nice, good character.
It's still got like Roman ruins, isn't there? There's an amphitheatre here. There's the Arc as well. There's a few Roman ruins.
Yeah, we'll walk around actually. That would be good to see.
Yeah.
And actually, there's this beautiful. This is where the market's held on the Saturday mornings, if I'm not mistaken. And there's this beautiful old church here as well. The chimes are really nice. And yeah, you have the big shopping street just up here. Hey, more flowers.
It's actually really nice to be here. Like it's still like you've got the shopping street, but it's still quiet and really nice. Yeah. It feels good to be back here. Have you seen the little stars? That's really cool. Are they pedalised or are they actually
No, they're the electric ones. We actually went on with my aunt and uncle
Yeah?
a few years back. Yeah, the little. So you can go up. You can go. Actually, quite far. I think like an hour. I can't remember how much they cost, but they're quite
That
cute.
looks really cool.
Yeah, you can get 4 people in them quite comfortable as well. Yeah, so there's the Arc de Germanicus just over there. So that was actually part of the bridge. So that used to be in the water, and that was like the middle main point holding up the bridge.
Really?
Yeah.
I had no idea. Huh.
And then just behind it, just to the right of it, there's actually a museum with, I think it's Romanesque statues.
Yeah, I went with my school trip. I went there, and it's actually really nice. It's what they've dug up around sands, and so you've got some statues, some monuments, like really small monuments, and they've got like really small trinkets and jewellery that they found around the town. It's really nice.
And I think it's free as well, if I remember right.
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, some really pretty buildings here, really old, and just as I said earlier, it's real charm. You've got the shopping street that continues there. It does like a big T shape kind of thing. It goes down there, and then at the end it goes left and right. It's quite large actually.
Yeah, it's really nice because it's still like you've got everything a town needs, but it's still really quite quiet. It's not overcrowded, and so it's kind of almost peaceful to come and do your shopping, to get a drink, and it's laid back. It's really cool. It's nice.
Yeah, I mean, it used to be more busy, but I think some of the shopping zones around Sant now have kind of taken the maybe the business away.
True. They were definitely busier, weren't they?
Yeah, but it's still, I mean, you can see it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Nice. We've chosen the day again. Look at the weather. Got some really nice weather. If you're ever visiting Sant around here, this is one of our favourite places. It has this beautiful courtyard just around here, and it does some really thick, like hot chocolate, especially in winter. But it has some good coffees as well for general days.
We've got oh nice. So they've actually got like a few different ice creams, different desserts even, and where are the drinks? See if you can find that. Yeah, this place does really nice like teas, coffees, cold drinks. They do a really nice iced drink.
Cute little garden here. Cute little courtyards. What are you getting?
I don't know. I might get like a mix of their fruit juice. They do some really nice like fruit cocktails, which are really nice and refreshing in the summer. So yeah, I think I'll get that.
Alright, what you got?
I have a smoothie. This is a raspberry, lemon, apple and mint smoothie. So hopefully really nice and refreshing.
That looks good actually, yeah.
Yeah, it does. Oh yeah. Oh, that's really good. Oh, nice.
So yeah, just obviously popped into Sant for a little bit. They have as you saw, a really good decathlon. I actually really like that shop. We only needed a few bits. It's just one more tick off our checklist, you know, one of the many things that we need to do before going away. And yeah, basically just looking for a few t-shirts and shorts, just to maybe update the stuff. We last bought, it was the merino wool basically. It's a breathe easy fabric. We found that our t-shirts last time were just too thick. Last time we went in 2019 to Indonesia. So these are better, just breathe easy fabric kind of thing. So as I said, when it's hot and humid, when you've got a backpack on your back, you know, your back's not sweating as much. When you're doing your wash as well, they dry easy as you're on the go. You need them to dry quickly. So yeah, just generally good clothes, I have to admit. And Decathlon has anything from trekking to trading, anything you need really. So that's one more thing off our list anyway.
Look at you just chilling.
Water's at 28. Well, nice.
All right.
I'm gonna water down my beer.
Be careful.
Where's that robot? It's there.
You've been attacked by a robot.
Yeah.
Where is it?
It's just down there.
That's not the only wildlife we're gonna get at the moment, right? Good morning. I'm currently on my run in the middle of this French countryside. I mean, it's pretty much middle of nowhere, but look how beautiful these views are. It is so peaceful and just me. I can hear the birds in the background and these views, it's gorgeous with the vines, the sunflowers, there's like some barley and wheat, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. There's nobody else around. Hi. Hi, you cutie. Yeah. Oh, I love these morning runs. You really do get that impression that you're literally the only one awake in these villages. It's beautiful, so peaceful. You can just hear nature, the birds, and a little dog that's come to greet me. Hello. You a nice one? You gonna be nice to me? Hi. I know, I smell my dog, don't I? Alright. Time to continue. Yeah. Hi. Oh, okay. You would like some strokes, would you? Would you like some strokes as well? Hello. Hi. Alright, I'm going to continue now, okay? Slight issue. I've got a friend that's now following me. I think we're probably going to head back to the village and try and find out who this dog belongs to, or is going to follow me home. Yeah. Come on then, this way. Let's go back.
Emma. Boats. So yeah, here we are. We're in Mortagne-sur-Gironde. This is like a 10-minute drive from Emma's parents. Yeah. It's just basically got the estuary, so there are quite a few boats coming. So Matt's happy. Yeah. Oh, cattle grid.
Yeah. You good?
Yeah. Good. And yeah, it's one of those beautiful days. We've got about a 2-week period where it's going to be high 30s, like almost 40 degrees. So it's
Could be too hot.
yeah, so coming out in the morning before it gets ridiculous hot. So we'll pull it afterwards. I think when it gets too hot to keep cool.
Yeah, just come for a walk here, haven't we? Really, and
yeah, it's gorgeous. It really is. I've been in a while actually.
But it's nice as well. Like we often, I think most of our walks are where we actually plan everything, isn't it? As well, like we just usually like we don't have any technology and we just talk and we kind of plan anything or anything we've got to sort out is usually figured out on walks, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like the wooden we used in Bordeaux, and for any of the walks, as we just said, we kind of just usually put phones away and just chat and plan, as you said. So we're kind of discussing visas for when we go away. That was kind of our next step. Obviously, we're Sri Lanka and Vietnam were kind of the big ones. I'm guessing Thailand as well.
Well, the other places are all visas on arrival, so it's just a stamp in the passport, and so we don't need to worry about them. Whereas Sri Lanka is obviously our first big country. Obviously Milan is fine, we're within Europe, so that's not a problem. But then for Sri Lanka we have to apply online for an electronic visa. So I think that's issued pretty quickly, but obviously we still need to do that before leaving.
Yep.
And I know the one for Sri Lanka can be renewed once there, so that's not a problem. Vietnam on the other hand is a 30-day fixed tourist visa. I just can't find any information on if it's possible to extend it while in the country, and so yeah, we're just trying to figure out routes as well, and kind of just figure out what we really want to do and which way we want to go around it.
So yeah, so we were saying as well, obviously apart from the visas, kind of how long do we need in each country? So as you said, so yeah, we're heading towards Milan and then obviously Sri Lanka. So from what we've read, researched, and kind of
the route we want to take as well.
Yeah, obviously heading to Colombo like everyone else does and head down. We reckon 3 weeks?
Yeah, I think we can do everything you want
Seems
to.
sensible.
Yeah. I think 3-week circuit of Sri Lanka. We'll be able to go like south along the coast, do a few of the safaris, the national parks, and then head inland as well into like the more mountainous region and do some trekking there, the tea plantations.
Yeah,
and,
definitely,
So yeah, I think we're sticking on about 3 weeks there.
And then obviously Thailand.
Yeah.
I think we said from the start a month. I mean, there's so much to see in Thailand. You've got all these separate islands as well. So by the time you've arrived, there's just so much to see. There is a real massive amount to see without going into detail now. We'll go into detail obviously once we're near the date and once we're there.
Yeah.
A month is probably even on the shortest of times, but we'll see what we can do.
Yeah.
And then obviously Vietnam. Vietnam's another one. It's such a long country, so we're hesitant on
how we travel it, really.
How we travel it,
yeah. Because we've seen like a few different people have actually bought bikes or rented bikes for the month and then actually driven down the whole length of the country. And that just seems like such an adventurous way to do it. That is it's caught our attention.
And it's not overly expensive as well. I think we were seeing just under 200 euros for renting a bike kind of thing.
Yeah.
And just either biking from obviously north to south, and there's multiple of those like rental shops. You can take it from the north and give it back in the south, so you don't have to worry about that.
Yeah.
Or the sleeper buses, or maybe like do a bit of both, which is probably more what we will do, I think, in the end. Bike a bit and you use the sleeper buses.
Yeah.
Or trains.
Trains even, exactly. So.
It's quite a long country, so we'll have to figure that one out. So yeah, quite a few like little ideas, and so yeah, we're also wondering obviously if you have ever done anything like this, if you've ever been to any of the countries we've mentioned before, we've said before.
Yeah. Any tips or anything that you would have changed on your itinerary as well? It'd be really interesting to hear and find out.
Yeah, so a lot of the time we come to Mortagne and actually the tide's out, and this is kind of generally what we see. So we were super lucky to see the port. with the high tide. We did actually check it for once before coming here. We usually just wing it.
So yeah, it's been nice this weekend. We've kind of just taken it a bit more relaxed, a bit more chilled, spent a bit of time with our family, and it's just nice to kind of every now and then just like stop and yeah, it's allowed us to prep a bit more. It's really nice to have actually ticked off like just having all our gear now. That's all finished and sorted. We've managed to get the last few bits yesterday, so it's just really nice having that ticked off the list. What else do we have left to do?
The apartment was the biggest thing for us.
That was a big worry, but that's all sorted now. We got confirmation from the estate agent that they've found some people to rent it for us, so that's all good. That's going ahead. Beginning of August they will be in our flat, so we have to make sure we move everything out, clean it, and so that's ready.
3 weekends.
Yeah, ready for the next tenants. That's just a good big sigh of relief. That's nice now to know it's sorted.
Yeah, it's a big tick off our list. I mean, obviously we don't have to pay our mortgage for the next year or 13 months, so that's a big part of our budget off our backs kind of thing. As I said, it's a relief. So that's that's a bonus. That still needs to be finalised, but they're very hopeful of that.
Yeah,
that's good. And yeah, just taking the time, as I said, with family. As I said, we're obviously going to be away from family for quite a while. And so it's good to jump around from my parents, your parents, and sister, and so on, and just try and see everyone before we go, spend a bit of time.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, we're just kind of taking a few things off the list. So we've kind of really building on our itinerary now. Visas, we looked into that, making sure we're all good, up to date. We have to pick your passport up as well in the coming weeks. That's finally been sorted.
So we've been here for a long time now. So we passed our test. It was it's the entretien, it's the interview basically, to become a French citizen. So we're actually now officially dual nationals. Month and a half has it been already? Yeah. And so we obviously signed up for our French passports, which will actually help us out for Vietnam by the sounds of it, for the Vietnamese visa.
It might help.
It should be a stronger passport, but that's another thing that's cool. Another thing to tick off the list, and the French identity card. So we just need to go pick those up. Yeah,
and it's just having that security of while we're traveling, we'll have 2 passports with us. So even for like visas, or if we need to leave our passports for any reason, we'll always have a second passport on us. So it's just a little bit of security, I suppose, which is quite nice.
Backup. That's good.
Yeah, it's a backup. So yeah, that's done. Now we just got to empty the flat, clean it, pack, I think.
Yeah, it's not a huge flat, and because we're leaving it furnished, we don't have to take off obviously too much stuff. We just have to take out obviously personal items. Yeah. Just box it up, make sure it's clean for the people that are going to be renting out afterwards. Yeah. And that's really it. By the end of because all the electric will be cut off first and stuff like that. We've already done that, and the internet's done, and so all these little things that you originally like, sabbatical year, and then you have to think about these 1,000 things. This list gets longer and longer, but
we're tying off all those loose ends, which is nice. So we're currently at our local leisure centre. We've just grabbed an ice cream while waiting for the train. I have to head back to Bordeaux this evening. Matt, you'll be staying here for a few more weeks.
Yep.
So yeah, we're just gonna chill for like a good half hour with our ice creams before catching the train back.
Yep, hope you enjoy this definitely different video, but it was a kind of a needed break for us, and just to get as I said earlier, the job's done. And just needed it, so it was
it was a good weekend, a good chilled weekend. So please leave a like and a comment. It would be great to hear what your thoughts are on our itinerary, and we'll see you in the next one.
See you soon.